welcome back, squad. Welcome back, gang. So this is the food on the previous video that I cooked. So if you haven't watched that, it's called Armand Chopping Chicken. Stop this video and go watch that one. So yeah, we just fried this chicken up and I just cooked dinner for my family. And I am having chili cheese potato with fried chicken breasts and a side of green beans. And oh, we can't forget your girl wine on the side. It helps me unwind. If you are new here, could you please like, comment, and subscribe? Let me know that you're new here in the comments. If you're part of the squad, a part of the gang, welcome back. So, how's everybody been doing? On this marvelous, marvelous Saturday. If you haven't had loaded chili and cheese potato, it's the bomb. I got it actually from Wendy's, and I started making it at home, and it is so good. Just basically canned green beans. You seen one, you seen them all. This is the chicken breast that he chopped, a little deformed, but it was his second time in his defense chopping up a whole chicken. So we're gonna cut him some slack. But yeah, this is the chicken breast. And I fried it. And I'm not eating out. Home cooked meal today. Open it up for you guys to see. Simple. Easy. Probably pour a little of this hot sauce on it. I love the flavor hot sauce. It's not too hot. It's really good. Sorry for the wobbly table. So what you guys been up to? Like I said in the previous video, I don't never get comments. And if I do, it's just from the squad, from the gang. Shout out to everybody that's been leaving comments, being respectful, showing love, watching my videos, just taking the time out of your day just to like it, you know. Watching it, you know, showing your support, it means the world to me, and I mean that. You don't have to do it, but you do it. And I thank you. Just for being yourself, for being loving and caring and supportive. Appreciate it. Well, I'm off today. So any off day from work is a good day. I had a long work week. Long and tedious. But, you know, I get up every day and do what I have to do for my family because of the grace of God. Because if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be here, right? Just him waking me up every day is a blessing. Being here, I'm so thankful just for that. But I am going on vacation in another week. So this week coming up is my last week. And I will be on an 9-day vacation. As I said in the previous video, that I posted before this. My son Armand chopping chicken. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. I am going on vacation because I have a birthday coming up in 2 weeks. Well, a week. Because this week is over. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. My birthday is March the 1st. And I will be turning 35 years old. Whew. Half of 30. Whew, closer to 40. That's a lot to take in, but I'm grateful for those years. I know so many people that's dead in their grave didn't even make it to see 30 years old. So I'm blessed going and coming, either way I look at it. Pisces gang, where you at? Gang, gang. Pisces. Me and my mother and my son's father, we all three are Pisces. We get along for the most part. Me and my son's father's birthday actually is a couple days apart. We're a year older than each other. So I thought that was pretty interesting when we got together. To be with somebody that's their same signs. But you know what? The male is opposite of the female, if I'm not mistaken. A Pisces man is totally different from a Pisces woman because me and his father is like night and day, oil and water. So, I guess that's how it works. I like my cooking. I don't know why I don't cook more than I do. I guess I take the easiest way out. Go sit down and eat and let somebody else cook for you. Or take it home and carry it out. Either way, or you ain't cooking it. This chili and cheese potato, it's everything. Try it, seriously. It's really good. With beans, without beans. It's good. But yeah, like I was saying, now that the long and tedious work week is over, I can sit and relax, meditate, reflect, try to do better from any mistakes that I've made in the work week. Just try to be a well-rounded person while I'm here. I don't know if... Sorry about that. I don't know your beliefs, but my beliefs is I believe in God. And I believe if you're blessed here on earth and you do right by people, good things will follow you and you will prosper. I believe if you're a good person, you believe in God, you will make it to heaven. I don't know if you believe in hell and heaven and all that jazz, but I do. I strongly believe in the Bible. I grew up in a Pentecostal church with my grandmother, so I know the Bible. I know the works in the Word. I try to do right by everybody, and hopefully have them do right by me in return. And just count my blessings and be a good, loyal family member as much as possible. I'm not saying that our family is perfect, because we're far from that, but we're blessed. If you're tuning in, thank you. If you're coming and going, hi and bye. If you're staying, welcome to the squad, welcome to the gang. Click the like button, comment down below, and hit that bell for any post notifications to notify you when I drop a new video. Thank you for your support and your love. And thank you for coming by to see what I cooked and how it turned out. So if you have not watched the first video, like I said, go watch the first video, then come back to this one. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time. Love you, squad. Love you, gang. See you next time.